Now we will see how to make single crochets inside this magic ring and form your first round of your project. Now insert into the loop. Make sure you are keeping both of these layers, both of these yarns together, and pull a loop, hold it like this, and then do your single crochet. Do 5 more single crochets into the same loop to form the first circle. Now you can pause here or speed up to finish to reach the 6th single crochet. This step might be difficult for the beginners. The more you practice, it will become more easier for you. Your hand muscles will remember the pattern, so the flow will be created naturally. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet, and now I'm doing my last and 6th single crochet. After making 6 single crochet, now I'm going to take this smaller edge, hold here using my fingers, hold this tightly, and then pull this part, which will bring the yarn closer and close the circle. The more tighter you pull, the more smooth the circle is going to be without any gap. Now there is one step remaining to finish this circle. Now this is the first single crochet on your left side, where you need to insert your hook and then pull a loop, make a single crochet. Now this is going to be considered as a first stitch of your round 2. You need to mark it so that you will not miss the stitch as you work on your round 2. There is another way of finishing round 1, which I will show you now. I have removed my stitch marker. I'll remove the last stitch I have made. So this is where we finished when we made 6 single crochets and pulled the yarn to make the circle close. And now I'm inserting on the first single crochet, pulling a loop. Now instead of making another single crochet, you can make a slip knot doing like this. This is also a way of closing your round 1. This stitch marker will help you to not get the stitches removed when you are in work in progress, and also it will help you to mark your stitches when you are working in round, the starting and the end of the circle, end of the stitch, that you can mark using stitch marker. So this is how you do circle in magic ring.